to an even bigger scale. It's time for FarmBot Express and Genesis Max. Measuring 2.4 meters wide and 18 meters in length, FarmBot Express Max covers 3 times the area of Express XL and 12 times the area of our smallest FarmBot. Coming 95% pre-assembled in the box, Express Max can be set up in just 1 hour and delivers the lowest cost per area of robotic farming in our lineup. It's perfect for modernizing and automating existing commercial raised beds. Meanwhile, at 3 meters wide and 18 meters long, Genesis Max is by far our largest FarmBot ever, covering a massive 54 square meters. With interchangeable tooling, our most advanced electronics board, and built-in rotary encoders, Genesis Max is our top-of-the-line, fully customizable kit, suitable for cutting-edge research and production. Because of their enormous scale, both Express Max and Genesis Max cover more area per dollar than any FarmBots before them. In fact, when compared to our very first FarmBot launched in 2016, these new devices are up to 9 times more cost-effective. We can't wait to see what you'll grow with these exciting new FarmBots, so check out our website to learn more and place your pre-order today.